but it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away. We said we're sorry and made up the
What's up and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all keeping safe. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button right down there. It's absolutely free. YouTube will not charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So yeah guys, so today's video I am going to be attempting to make tapioca pearls. I know this is a long shot. So I was on Instagram the other day and I saw a video of like them drinking, or a video where somebody was drinking like tapioca tea, milk tea with tapioca pearls in it. I was like, ooh, I'm sure I can be able to recreate something like this at home. So yes, I am going to be attempting to make tapioca pearls at home, or tapioca tea at home. So yes, so the things you're going to need is tapioca. So I got this from my local supermarkets. You can probably get this in like the market, like the main market, or I don't know, any supermarket. Basically you need tapioca. So this is like tapioca starch, and I still need to like blend it. So I'm going to blend it into a fine powder. Then you need milk. Any milk is fine. For me today I'm going to be using coconut milk, organic coconut milk. That's what I'm going to be having my tapioca pearls with. I have some blueberries here, so just to like spice up my coconut milk a little bit, I'm going to blend it with some blueberries. I have black food coloring here for the tapioca pearls, because they're usually always black, the pearls that I've seen. So yeah, I have black food coloring. I have vanilla extract to sweeten my tapioca pearls with, and I have cane sugar here. So you can use any kind of sugar you want. I'm using cane sugar. So this is kind of like my healthy alternative to the very sweet milk sugar, because I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't really like to take milk a lot. So yeah, anyways guys, let's just start off the prep for this tapioca tea tutorial. You also need measuring cups just to measure out your ingredients. So guys, in here I have measured out the tapioca. So basically this is how the tapioca looks like really fine pearls. So I'm going to blend it now into a powder. So inside here I have a cup of the tapioca. So I'm just going to quickly go blend it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have finally blended my tapioca. Guys, I will not lie, it was quite hard blending this tapioca, but yeah, I finally got it blended to a powder. So yeah, so the ingredients for the tapioca pearls calls for, actually the name of the tea is Boba tea. I don't know why I kept on forgetting Boba tea. So anyways, the ingredients to make the tapioca pearls call for 1/3 of a cup of water, which I have here, and it calls for 1/4 of a cup of sugar, which I have here. So we're just going to go to the cooker and continue the recipe there, because now it's time to start making this tapioca pearl. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so first off we're going to go in with the 1/3 of a cup of water. So I have my water here, and then I'm just going to add my sugar.
Spreading like wildfire. is out of control. I need you to.
So I'm just going to allow the sugar dissolve completely.
Let's take it back to the golden days from before.
Then I'm going to go into my black food coloring. I'm going to use a toothpick because this is like a gel black food coloring. So just that amount, very tiny amount like that.
Hold me close, na 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 na. If you let go of me now.
Then I'm going to just add just a cupful of vanilla extract, just like so.
Let go of me now. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it. Don't blame it on me.
So once the water starts to heat up, you can see the fumes coming out of it. I'm just going to add half of my tapioca powder, so just half of it.
In a love that ends up one of two ways. Give me a reason to stay. Caught in a love that ends up one of two ways. Give me a reason to stay.
Don't let go. Oh no no.
So I'm just going to add a little bit of water, just a tiny bit of water, to kind of cook it a little bit.
Me close, na 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 na. If you let go of me now. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it. Don't blame it on me.
I'm just going to add the rest of the tapioca starch. Then I'll turn off the heat. Okay, so I'm just going to pour that out. Just a little bit. So I'm just going to knead it.
But it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away. We said we're sorry and made up the other day. Don't know how many times we'll end.
So I'm just going to knead it till it's somewhat smooth. Because I'm not using like pure tapioca starch, because I'm using like the these ones, that it might look a little grainy, but we're still going to cook it again. So yeah, so it's nice and blended together. So I'm just going to just roll it up.
Don't blame it on me.
So as it's in a log, I'm just going to cut and then roll into a ball.
I need you to get me higher, cause I'm feeling the low. Let's take it back to the golden days from before. You jumped and I jumped, no waiting.
Okay guys, so we're back. These are my tapioca pearls. These are I rolled them out. They're all rolled out. So I have here some boiling water. So I'm just going to add the pearls in one at a time so they don't stick to each other.
If you let go of me now. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it. Don't blame it on me.
So basically I'm just going to, once I'm done putting all the pearls inside, I'm just going to allow them cook for like 20 minutes, because since I'm not using the starch, if you can find the tapioca starch, yeah, that would be better. But since I'm not using starch, I'm using the these are almost like pearls too. I'm using the raw tapioca pearls, so you can always leave them on for like 15 minutes, you know, because it will be a lot smoother. But since I have like granules and small chunks in them, I'm just going to leave this for like 20 to 30 minutes so that I know that it's properly cooked very well. So yeah.
Hold me close, na 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 na. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on.
So guys, in this other pot, I'm just making a little caramel, just to put or to add with the boba tea. So basically, it's just the cane sugar that's inside here. So yeah. Okay guys, so to make my sweetened coconut milk, or to make my milk, I just have my coconut milk here. I'm just going to shake it up, shake it up. So my tapioca pearls are done. I'm just allowing them cool down. So with my cup, I'm just going to measure out some of this coconut milk. So I think that should be enough, because I'm still going to top it up with ice. So into that, I'm just going to be adding my blueberries. So I'm just going to add a handful of blueberries. So like so. It almost looks like the tapioca pearls. So I'm just going to put this into my my blender and blitz it up together. Then I'll come and show you what it looks like when it's blended. Okay guys, so these are my tapioca pearls. This is what they've looked like after they've thoroughly cooked. So yeah, they are nice and jiggly. So this is my milk with the blueberries. It's now purple, which is quite cute. Okay, it's time to assemble this boba tea. So this is the glass I'm going to be using. So first off, I'm going to throw in some ice at the bottom, my makeshift ice. So I'm just going to throw in some ice. So yeah, this is my ice. Just gonna break it up a little bit. So just throw in some ice. You can choose to take your boba tea, warm, but nah, I want it nice and refreshing and cool. So I'm just putting some ice in the glass. So now that I have my ice in the glass, I'm just going to add my caramel. So this is my caramel that I made. So I'm just basically going to drizzle the caramel just all over the sides of the glass. Just to add some aesthetics. Make it look nice, make it look pretty. You can decide to opt out of adding caramel, but my coconut milk is actually unsweetened, so I don't want it to be too dull or too drab. So yeah. So that's my caramel, and now I'm going to add the boba pearl, the tapioca pearls. So
Na na na. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me.
I think that's enough. Yeah, so I think that's enough. So I'm just going to pour my milk all over. So guys, this is my boba tea. So I had to go get this like huge gigantic straw, so I'm just going to throw it inside and just give it a nice mix so everything can mix up together. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am here. I'm about to try my boba tea. So this is actually going to be my first time ever trying this and making this. So I got this like really huge straws. I hope the boba or the tapioca pearl will pass through it, but let's just taste this. So Guys, it's not passing. Okay, so I'm just going to it's not bad. I wish I had added a little more sugar though, but it's not bad. So I think what I would do next time when I'm making is I'll make the tapioca pearls a lot smaller so they can pass through this straw, but it's not bad. It's not bad actually. The tapioca pearls just keep sticking to the fork. I say to the fork, to the straw. This is a disaster. But I don't think I did badly with making the tapioca pearls. They're quite chewy, you know, and they're nice. Maybe next time I might add a little bit more sugar to them. They're not like stupendously sweet, which is good. Oh my god. I'm so messy. They're so chewy. Who knows, maybe this might be an ASMR. Okay guys, so this is my boba tea video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and if you've ever tried boba tea before, let me know in the comment section. If you've tried making it or if you've tried it before, you know, let me know in the comment section what you thought about it, you know, if you enjoyed it. And yeah. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It's the red button down there. Please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. One actually passed. Yay. Bye guys.